Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return order on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and enter My Orders section right here. So here find order that you want to return, then tap on it to open its details and find button Return and Refund. So approximately your screen should look like this. First of all, you should answer a few questions, and the first question is, did you receive your item? And select answer yes. The next question, do you want to return your item? And select option yes as well. So here you need to provide a reason why you basically request your return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons. So you need to pick one that best describes your situation. Tap continue button, and here in this field you should indicate a refund amount, of course if you want to get that refund. Then tap continue and confirm your return method right here. So here are two methods available. The first one is AliExpress free return service, and second is self drop off. So think about it and decide which method will work out for you better and tap it to select. Tap continue, and here additionally you can provide more information about your situation. So describe in a few sentences what exactly happened and why do you need that return. The more you write, the higher chances that seller will approve your request. And finally, you here need to upload some photos, screenshots and videos as a proof that you really need to make that return. And do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests are processed within a few days, so you have to wait a little bit, and after your request is approved, make sure that you find free return label. And in order to find it, you need to go to My Orders section, then find order that you want to return, tap it to open its details and open dispute page, and there you will see your unique free return label. But here's the thing, that you have a deadline of 5 days to find that label, and if you miss this deadline, your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen that dispute, and in consequence you will not be able to return your item back. So that label is the most important part about returning items on AliExpress. So download that label and print it out, and then you have to carefully pack your parcel and stick your printed label to your parcel. And after receiving your label, you have 15 days to drop your parcel to nearest post office and basically send your item back to the seller. And after that, wait until your package arrives to the seller. So that were the main points on how to return order on AliExpress. But if you still have some questions and you need more information, I will show you now how to access some additional information. So at your home page, open random item, then scroll down to section free returns right here. Tap learn more button at the bottom, scroll down to the section free returns right here, tap view more, and this is basically the thing that I was talking about. So here you can find step-by-step instruction on how to make a return and some additional information about returns and refunds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.